A transforming India, a revolutionizing energy landscape, electrifying millions of households, and a firm will to become the undisputed clean energy leader of the world. India is scaling up renewable energy to herald a new energy future. And at Hitachi, we are partnering with the Government of India and harnessing our pioneering digital and energy solutions to ensure every citizen gets access to clean energy for a better quality of life. Setting a benchmark in building smart grids for the future, Hitachi Energy has delivered one of the most crucial and modern energy projects, Raigarh-Pugalur Ultra-High Voltage Direct Current Link, which can deliver clean electricity to more than 80 million people. Powered by Hitachi Energy's suite of technologies, the bi-directional link will transmit 6,000 megawatts of reliable power over 1,800 kilometers between Raigarh in central India and Pugalur in the southern state of Tamil Nadu, with the flexibility to divert power to any state that needs electricity the most. This is Hitachi's social innovation, delivering sustainable energy through technology.
India is pursuing very ambitious clean energy pathways. To meet this, India needs to deploy massive amount of renewable over the next 10 years. And this needs smart digital and energy solutions. Hitachi Energy in India, together with our customers and partners, is advancing sustainable energy future for all. At Hitachi Energy, we are investing here for the last 6 decades. Making in India, investing in India, right now we are expanding our factories, our footprint to support India's energy transition system.
The path-breaking project leverages UHVDC class technology to achieve power transmission at exceptionally low losses of 3 to 4%, which is 50% less as compared to conventional transmission systems, thus ensuring approximately 180 megawatts in energy savings and reduction of 646,000 tons of carbon emissions every year.
It is in line with our Government of India's initiative as well as UN Sustainable Goal Target number 7, the reliable power for all. We are able to transfer within a millisecond, and it is reaching to every home, every village, every students who seek quality power. We have demonstrated by this also we can serve to a nation which can reduce the carbon dioxide, which is really make our life difficult as well as going to make more difficult for our upcoming generations. We must make our presence, our footprint to them as a gift that we have made our society greener and cleaner than what we got from our ancestors.
By meeting the growing electricity demand in the south, the project is paving the way for increased agricultural and industrial activity, specifically contributing to Tirupur textile and Coimbatore SME industrial growth.
This plus minus 800 kV Raigarh-Pugalur HVDC project is an LCC-based HVDC system for transfer of bulk power of 6,000 megawatt from Chhattisgarh to Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It comprises of 1767 kilometers long plus minus 800 kV HVDC line with HVDC terminals at both Raigarh and Pugalur end. This system has enhanced the power transfer capacity between the western and the southern region. And the majority of the equipments of this project were supplied from within India, thus giving a boost to the Make in India program of the Government of India. This HVDC link with its inherent control features shall provide flexibility in power flow between the regions and add to the network stability as well. And Power Grid's vision for India is to develop the transmission system to provide universal access to uninterrupted 24/7 power supply to all consumers across the country. And towards meeting India's commitment at COP26 to achieve an installed capacity of 500 gigawatt from non-fossil fuels, and to meet 50% of India's energy requirements from RE by 2030, India is moving in a big way towards RE generation, and we as Power Grid face the challenge to integrate this much of RE into the grid. It is here where we would like to partner with you To deliver these integration technologies such as STATCOM, substation automation, GIS, etc. in a shortest span of time.
Recording stellar accomplishments such as 100% village electrification and 150 gigawatts renewable energy capacity, India is reimagining its energy infrastructure to fuel its growing economy with clean power. Hitachi has been India's partner in progress for more than 8 decades and is harnessing its OT and IT expertise to support the government in ushering a clean and inclusive energy future, where every citizen has access to round-the-clock electricity, helping enhance the social, environmental and economic values for the citizens and society at large.
Keeping citizens at the heart of India's energy transformation, Hitachi's social innovation is powering good, a carbon-neutral society where every citizen can breathe fresh air.